Now we learn about in and on. Now I'm going to tell you over, under. Classmates, my name is Frayne, and I'm going to tell about the position of the objects in, on, over, under, top, and bottom. So I'm going to tell first in and on. I'm going to tell this. The Lego is inside the toy box. Not there, inside the toy box. So, in! Next, on the airplane. It's not over. It's on the table. Table. Now we learn about in and on. Now I'm going to tell you over, under. Ball is under my foot. And the airplane is over my head. So we learn about over, under. Next, top, bottom. So this toy box is at the top. This toy box is at the bottom. So I learn and you learn in, on, over, under, top, bottom. Bye-bye, teacher and classmates. See you again. But wait. This is the important. Bye-bye and thanks for learning about position. I meet you again. Bye-bye.